January is rose pruning month. My name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. Now is the time to reach out to your landscaper or get into those roses and make sure they're cut back generally at least in half. You're literally cutting most of the shrubbery off, most of the leaves off, a lot of the dead branches from the previous year. You really want to cut them back and clean them back pretty severely. You can leave them, you can cut as much as 3/4 of them back in some cases. What I'll do is I'll put a link, a DIY link on my video of us pruning back a rose bush, just so you can see how severely they need to be cut back, and just get them in preparation for next year, or this year rather, where you're gonna have a lot of new growth coming in February, in March, and then throughout the season, they usually are about the same size in about 3 or 4 months, and it's all got new healthy growth with beautiful, beautiful blooms. My name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping at AZ Lawns. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and our Facebook page, and share this on social media if you see it somewhere. Thanks.